Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a domain in Google Domains Successor Services, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore a domain in Google Domains Successor Services, start by navigating to the Google Domains website. Sign in to your Google account associated with the domain you wish to restore. Once signed in, you will see a list of your domains. Locate the domain you want to restore. If the domain has been recently deleted, it may show an option for restoration. Click on the domain name to access its settings. Look for a section related to domain status or management. Check for a link or button that says Restore or Recover. If available, click on the Restore option. Follow any prompts to confirm your decision to restore the domain. You may need to verify your account details or complete a security check. After confirmation, the restoration process will begin. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once restored, you will receive a notification confirming the successful restoration. Take a moment to review the domain settings to ensure everything is correct. Consider setting up renewal options to prevent future lapses. If you encounter any issues, consult the Google Domains help resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.